Hey Grill Masters, welcome back to the channel. If you're ready to fire up some serious backyard feasts without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today we are counting down the top 3 best propane grills on Amazon. We'll hit you with the must-know specs, real-time pricing, review highlights, and the pros and cons of each. Let's jump right in. 1. Char-Broil Pro Series with Amplifire Technology 3-burner propane gas grill and griddle cabinet. This hybrid grill and griddle combo lets you switch from classic grilling to flat-top cooking in under 90 seconds thanks to the patented gas 2-coal modular cooking system. You get 25,500 BTU across 3 stainless steel burners, a heavy-duty 274 square in griddle surface plus a 412 square in primary grill and 160 square in warming rack. Cast iron, porcelain-coated grates resist rust and deliver perfect sear marks, while the Amplifier infrared system prevents flare-ups and locks in juiciness. Wheels and locking casters make it easy to maneuver and stabilize. At around $475 right now, it's a versatile mid-range powerhouse backed by a 10-year burner warranty and a 4.3 out of 5 stars average from 93 reviews. Pros: rapid mode switching, griddle plus grill combo, excellent heat control, long bumper to burner warranty. Cons: no charcoal tray included, sold separately, lacks Bluetooth or smart features. 2. Megamaster 3-burner propane gas grill with folding side tables, 720-0988EA. Built for portability and easy storage, this grill packs 30,000 BTU over 3 cast iron burners into a 434 square in cooking area, plus 2 fold-down prep shelves. The porcelain steel firebox and grates give even heat distribution and superior rust resistance, while the stainless steel control panel stands up to high temps and cleans in a snap. Integrated thermometer and removable grease tray round out the kit. With new from $155.37 deals available and a 4.1 out of 5 stars rating from 383 reviewers, it's a budget-friendly staple for patios and tailgates. Pros: ultra affordable, fold-away side tables, sturdy build, easy cleanup. Cons: no side burner, shorter warranty, less refined temperature control. 3. Char-Griller Grillin Pro 3-burner propane gas grill. Featuring a barrel-style firebox and dual smokestacks, this grill delivers 40,800 BTU over 3 main burners and a 12,000 BTU side burner, giving you 438 square in of primary grilling plus a 192 square in warming rack. Porcelain-coated cast iron grates lock in heat and flavor, and the electronic push-button ignition gets you cooking instantly. Heavy-duty wheels make relocation a breeze. Priced at about $287.66 and boasting 4.5 out of 5 stars from 1,839 reviews, it strikes a solid balance between power and price. Pros: high overall BTU, side burner included, classic barrel grill look, robust cast iron grates. Cons: heavier and bulkier, assembly can be time-consuming, no modular griddle option. There you have it, 3 top propane grills to match your style and budget. Drop a comment with your pick, smash that like button,